Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel. We will discuss today about such sea creatures which lurking beneath the surface of the deep sea. So let's get started and please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. In a sense, a majority of the creatures lurking below the surface may as well be aliens. Meanwhile, researchers from Dalhousie University in Nova Scotia, Canada believe that 91% of these marine creatures are still unknown to us. It is found in the Indian and tropical Western Pacific Ocean. It is a candy-colored crustacean. It is one of the fastest movement in the animal kingdom. It is found about 1.5 miles deep into the Salween Sea in the Western Pacific east of Borneo. Its mouth, anus, intestine are all visible. It's so easy to miss the frogfish because these types of anglerfish are nearly identical to their surroundings. It lives in Indonesian water from East Africa to southern Japan, Australia and French Polynesia. It is one of the gnarliest looking creature in the sea. It looks like an ancient beast and it can grow to about 7 feet long. Scientists found this creature at the Great Barrier Reef's Lizard Island. The spiral branches are worms, breathing and feeding apparatuses. Like so many other sea creatures, it is a master of disguise. One of the most fascinating aspects of the box crab's life cycle is its mating habits. Researchers with the Sciences of Marine Zooplankton first discovered the squid worm in 2007 during a cruise in a remotely operated vehicle some 1.8 miles underwater. They can grow to be quite large. In 2010, a remotely operated underwater vehicle discovered a giant isopod measuring 2.5 feet. On record, it is an extremely versatile kind of sea slug. These little guys are found in both shallow and deep water. These creatures are predatory sea snails. This particular specimen, Platybrachyum antarcticum, flies through the deep Antarctic water. It's named for its massive mouth and jaw. They can grow up to 6 feet in length. Like a multiple-stage rocket, this is made up of multiple repeated units including tentacles and multiple stomachs. A virus, an alien, they are ancient creatures with no backbone that have 7 pairs of legs. This is also known as Galapagos fish and can be found at the bottom of the ocean. It's named for its red lips.